Hi guys, so do you see this chocolate shop behind me? This is called Early Beck. It's in Gaston in Switzerland, and that's where one of the songs of DDLJ was shot. I will show you from the front. Hi guys, so this is one of the early Beck, this is one of the shops which is very prominent because of DDLJ and in DDLJ, because this was a part this was shot and a part of a song in the movie DDLJ, and you can see. Wow, so many memories, guys. Hey guys, it's so nice to visit all these locations where Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol, magical Shah Rukh Khan, I would say, that magical movie they stepped in, and that became a history. Feels so nice. So guys, this is the same train station where Simran loses her train in Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. You can see this hut over there. You'll find the same hut in DDLJ, and this station is known by the name of Zweisimmen. तो ये वही ट्रेन स्टेशन है जहाँ पे सिमरन अपनी ट्रेन जो है वो लूज़ कर देती है, वो उसकी छूट जाती है. और ये पीछे हट है जो आपको दिखेगा, सेम हट है आपको जो उस सीन में दिखेगा, सेम ये पीछे ट्रेन ऐसी है वहाँ. अरे भगवान, एक्चुअली सिमरन वहाँ पे भागती है उस ट्रैक पे. अब वहाँ पे कैसे जाना है मुझे नहीं पता, मैं उसको तो क्रॉस करके जाने वाला हूँ नहीं. हालांकि फिल्म मेरे को बहुत दिल के करीब है, बट अपनी जान मुझे जोखिम में नहीं डालनी भाई. और यहाँ के रूल्स क्या है मुझे ये भी नहीं पता, तो मुझे रूल्स वगैरह भी यहाँ के ब्रेक नहीं करने. हेलो गाइस, सो दिस इज़ द एग्जैक्ट प्लेस, exact where Kajol loses her train in the movie Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. This is the exact place. This is the exact structure you will find in the movie, in the scene. I will attach a small scene with my video this time to make it a little different. Lots of memories, guys. I'm crying from inside. I'm crying. My child is coming out. You know, so many years I was just thinking to visit the places where the film was shot in Switzerland, and today I'm here, guys, after 29 years.